back to Tons of Toys. Today we have a very special video for you. We have a magic microwave, and we have some peanut butter M&Ms. What color M&Ms do we have? We have yellow. We have orange. We have a red M&M. Green. Blue M&M. And lastly, purple. We have a purple M&M. How many colors do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 colors of peanut butter M&Ms. So, what we're going to do today, we are going to put our M&Ms in our magic microwave and see what happens. Are you ready? Which M&M should we start with? Let's see here. Should we start with the green one? How about the red ones? Let's start with the yellow ones. What we're going to do, I'm going to put our yellow M&Ms in our little bowl, and we're going to put our little bowl in the microwave. And alakazam! Let's count our M&Ms as we put them in the bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 yellow M&Ms. Let's put our yellow M&Ms in our microwave. Okay, we've got it closed. Let's program it. Oh, look at that! It looks like it turned into something fun. Hey, let's see what it turned into. It turned into a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles My-Moji. Should we see what's in our blind bag? Oh, look at that. That is super cool. I love my emojis. It looks like we have the rat. He's brown. He's got his white teeth. That's super fun. Let's put him right over here where our yellow M&Ms were. Let's put our orange M&Ms in our magic microwave and see what happens next. How many orange M&Ms do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 orange peanut butter M&Ms. Let's put these in the microwave. Okay, let's program it and see what happens. What did our orange M&Ms turn into? Look at that! Did they turn into some Paw Patrol mashups? Let's see who we have. It's Rubble! Let's give him a squeeze. And maybe one more squeeze. Oh, that's so much fun. Who else do we have? Is that Rocky? Oh, that's so cool. Look at Rocky with his green hat, and his green collar, and his green jacket. Awesome. Who else? It's Chase! Let's give him a squeeze. Oh, that's cool. You know Chase is our police dog. He's got his blue hat, he's a brown puppy, and he's got a blue shirt on. I love Chase. Let's put him down here. Who else do we have? Is that Sky? Sky is our pilot dog. She flies around, she wears pink, and she goes, woof woof. Let's give her a squeeze. And a pull. Let's put her down right here. Who else do we have? It's Zuma! Woof woof! Zuma is a water dog who wears an orange outfit. I love M&Ms. Give it a squeeze, give it a squeeze, give it a pull. Put them down right here. I think we have one more. It's Marshall! Marshall's our fire dog. He's got a red hat. He's a Dalmatian, that means he's a white dog. With black spots. So cool. Let's give him a squeeze. And a pull. Put him down right here. Let's put our red M&Ms in the microwave. We have 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 red peanut butter M&Ms. Let's put them in our magic microwave and see what happens. Program the magic buttons and press start. What did our red M&Ms turn into? Oh look, we have a Finding Dory collectible figure number 3 blind bag. Let's see what we have. I would like to find the sea otter. I haven't found him yet. What would you like to see in this blind bag? Let's see what we have. Oh, is that Squirt? That's Squirt the turtle. Oh, he is so cool. He's got the big white eyes. Little shell. Oh, he is so much fun. Let's put him down right here. Let's put our green M&Ms in the microwave. Okay, count with me. Let's count our green M&Ms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 green M&Ms. Program our magic buttons. And let's see what happens. Oh my goodness, what do we have? Are these some of the characters from Five Nights at Freddy's? Oh, I love Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's see who we have. Can you guess who this is? That's right, it's the animatronic skeleton. That's so cool. He's bright silver, he's got big eyes. That's so awesome. Let's put him down right here. Who do we have next? Is that Golden Freddy? It's Golden Freddy! He's got his microphone, his little black hat, little bow tie. Let's put him right here. Who else do we have? Oh yeah. It's Foxy. We have Foxy with his little hook hand. His little eye patch. He's kind of scary. A little creepy. Let's put him down right over here. Oh, he doesn't want to stand up. Whoop. Oh, we're just gonna have to lie him down. Let's see who else we have. Oh ho! It's Chica and Mr. Cupcake. There's little Mr. Cupcake right there. There's Chica with his Let's Eat bib on. He's got his orange boots. Orange bill. Kinda creepy. Let's put him down right here. Oh, I love Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's put our blue M&Ms in the microwave. Count them out with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put them right here. Program our magic microwave. Oh ho! Here we go! No way, are those some more M&Ms? I love M&Ms. I think that's the Green Lantern. Green Lantern. Got the white gloves on, the green mask. Red hair. Let's give him a squish. And a pull. So cool. Another pull. Let's put him down right here. Oh, we got Mr. Manhattan. He's very green, a little scary looking, but let's give him a squish. And a pull. Put him down right here. And last, it's Batman! I love Batman. Let's give him a squish. And a pull. Okay, one more pull. Woo! Put him down right here. Okay, we have one color left. Let's put our purple M&Ms in the microwave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 purple M&Ms. Let's put our M&Ms in our microwave. Hit the magic buttons. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright. Oh, look. We got slimed. Look at that. Who's in there? Oh, it's Spider-Man. Spider-Man got slimed. Let's get Spider-Man out of the slime. Oh, do you like slime? I know I do. Let's give it a squish. And a pull. Slime's my favorite. Put the slime down right by Spider-Man. Look at all these super cool toys that our Magic Microwave gave us. Hey, thanks for stopping by and joining us today on Tons of Toys. I had a ton of fun finding out all of our cool little friends here. I especially like our M&Ms. Do you like M&Ms? If you like M&Ms, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, make sure you subscribe. And never miss a video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.